Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on an exciting journey to one of the most beautiful destinations in the Philippines, Cebu. Whether you're a beach lover, a history buff, or an adventure seeker, Cebu has something for everyone. So let's dive into the top spots you can't miss when visiting Cebu. First up, we have the stunning Kawasan Falls. Located in Badian, this three-tiered waterfall is a paradise for nature lovers. Picture this: turquoise blue waters, lush greenery, and the soothing sound of cascading water. You can go canyoneering, swim, or even take a bamboo raft ride underneath the falls. Trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget. Next, head to the Majestic Magellan's Cross in Cebu City. This historical landmark marks the spot where Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan planted a cross in 1521, signifying the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines. The cross is housed in a small chapel right next to the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño. It's a must-visit for history enthusiasts and offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Cebu. If you're a beach bum, then you can't miss the pristine shores of Bentan Island. Located off the northern coast of Cebu, Bentan Island boasts powdery white sand beaches and crystal clear waters. Whether you want to relax under the sun, indulge in water sports, or explore the vibrant marine life, Bentan Island has it all. Don't forget to try the local seafood. It's fresh and delicious. For adventure seekers, Osa Peak is a must-visit. Standing at over 1,000 meters above sea level, it's the highest peak in Cebu. The trek to the summit is relatively easy, making it perfect for beginners. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the island and surrounding seas. It's the perfect spot for a sunrise or sunset hike. No trip to Cebu is complete without visiting the enchanting Oslab. Here, you can have the unforgettable experience of swimming with whale sharks. These gentle giants are the largest fish in the ocean, and getting up close with them is truly magical. Just remember to follow the guidelines to ensure their safety and conservation. For those interested in local culture, head to the TOS Temple in Cebu City. This beautiful temple sits atop a hill and offers a serene escape from the bustling city. It's a place of worship for Cebu's Chinese community and is open to visitors. The temple's intricate architecture, dragon statues, and stunning views of the city make it a great spot for photos. Lastly, don't forget to explore the bustling Carbon Market. It's the oldest and largest farmers market in Cebu, and it's a fantastic place to immerse yourself in local life. From fresh produce and local delicacies to handmade crafts and souvenirs, Carbon Market has it all. It's a vibrant, colorful experience you won't want to miss. So there you have it, the best tourist spots you can't miss when visiting Cebu. From natural wonders and historical landmarks to cultural treasures and thrilling adventures, Cebu truly has it all. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.